All right, this is news that's coming in from Jabalpur. In fact, at Jabalpur airport, where there was a ruckus and a fist fight that broke out. In fact, this is BJP workers who got into an ugly fight with the Indigo staff. The ruckus was over poor facilities at an Indigo event during an inauguration ceremony, is what we understand. So the press, the PR agencies were all present for the event. The attendees claimed that the facilities at the ceremony were poor and it ended up in an ugly brawl. So verbal altercation also completely escalating, and you can see literally a fist fight that ensued there at the Jabalpur airport in Madhya Pradesh. Those are the details coming in. The attendees said that there were poor facilities at the ceremony. The BJP workers picking up a fight with the staff over this entire issue. You can see how that entire fight erupted. In fact, you can see chairs also being picked up and attempted to be thrown about. Let me in fact go across to Govind for more on this. Govind, this obviously spiraled into a kind of verbal altercation, spiraled into a physical fight as well. What can you tell us? What had actually happened?
Exactly. It's not only the verbal altercation, but the physical fight was also there between BJP workers and the Indigo staff. You know that today it was all set to inaugurate two services from Jabalpur to Delhi and second Jabalpur to Mumbai. And it was all set to be inaugurated, and Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia and CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan connected online for this inauguration. And there were some facilities which were not available, like basic facilities of arrangements of water, sitting arrangements, and these kind of facilities were not available there. These kind of allegations are being put forward by BJP workers, and they became so angry, they started making the chaotic situation there. They started fighting with the staff of Indigo. So this was a kind of quite of chaotic situation created during this inauguration process, where the BJP workers and Indigo staff were verbally altercating to each other, and also physically they involved to fight each other.
All right, Govind, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.